The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point riulak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jilla kala pediang ya ka Jingdawa jongka Khasi Students Union ban Pynsangeh Shuwa ya ki kam jongka Shree Cement Limited hadin bakani ka seng ki samla puli ka ba pau khmad ha ka Jilla ka dawa bade ban pendamno ya ka public hearing jongka Shree Cement Limited bala pelong da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka laipui trek unaitung arjar punriu hadin bala kendo babun ki trai jaka bat ki kinhun ba pher kila sha khanglat bun jaka ban lej sha ka jingpen sngo pajba Habakran sekilar patai kubur andala wai ke jialang bat ki nongelam ka KSU haka arpun riu terek unailar arja pun riu. U menteri rangba ke jela u konrad ki sangma. U laitu bakat Sorkar kan tau da ka fact finding committee ban clear dau officer barangba bat yagi kam jong ka Shree Cement Limited on sa Pynsangeh Shuwa kat ba ka jing Tohkit kadang ya syakhaman.
I shared with the members of the union that the government has to bring in private investment for the economic growth that we would like to see. And accordingly, when the proposal came from Shree Cement to set up an industry here, it was a positive step. Shree Cement is the second largest producer of cement in the country and a very reputed organization. After following the basic procedures of the basic applications, the process of public hearing as per law is required. And therefore all the procedures were conducted and the public hearing was done. But the members of the KSU had mentioned that they had concerns about the process in which it was conducted and that certain steps were taken to stop certain people from coming, and also certain concerns regarding environmental issues and other stakeholders not being involved. And hence we came to the conclusion that we will be putting up a fact-finding committee headed by a senior official from the government, independent of the district administration, and few members will be part of that fact-finding committee. And let them find out the details of all these points that were mentioned, especially regarding the public hearing, the procedure and the process in which it happened, the aspects of stakeholders being consulted or not, and the aspect of the environmental issues that were there. And until that time, till the fact-finding committee completes its work, things will be on status quo and no further work will proceed and everything will be stopped, and the fact-finding committee will be allowed to first do its fact-finding and submit its report and its findings. All works will stop and any kind of construction or any kind of work that is being done from the company's side will be asked to be stopped.
هذا الفطري صلاة.
Nadunay kay kan.
Bay la tong soy nga kadia pag smil the chit ko.
Ili mem yor ain gini kon me. Pai upon kelas tenu chong tangga college stage nem yo.
Le me stage nem le tangga we kon bukan. Tito.
Jadi kasi yang ngai bisa orang lain mana.
Oh, this lah.
Pinai wan ai bam snyai bam sien ai ta papacho. Families to that means. Right.
Ford
Ông yêu ném Vụ qua nhà khám mắt đó Vụ tê tỏ chàng bò rừng khලem
Babe, pass your first division ah. Oh, babe.
Congratulations, Con.
Thank you, babe.